Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Academic Staff Union of Universities Kano State Zone has distanced itself from a petition issued by a group of academics from the Yusuf Mai Tamasule Federal University of Education alleged irregularities in the institution's leadership process. The Benue State Police Command has arrested a serving police constable in connection with an intercepted consignment containing pistol, gunpowder, Indian hemp, and other items intended for delivering to a corps member at the NYSC orientation camp in Jos Plateau State. A fatal road accident occurred on the Katsina-Dutse-Ma highway on Saturday, resulting in the death of all occupants of the vehicles that went up in flames. Now, insecurity. An ex-convicted identified as Sita has allegedly shot and killed the commander of a local hunters group in Wanune Torka local government area of Benue State along Akume Road. At least 7 persons died following an attack by gunmen on Fulani settlement at Kango Camp in Feladun local government area of Kwara State. Still on insecurity, Katsina State Police Command rescued 6 kidnapped farmers following a failed banditry attack at Kwari Manager Forest in Sabwa local government area of the state. Now, politics. Former Jigawa State Governor Alhaji Sule Lamido accuses President Tinubu of supporting Babangida's annulment of June 12 elections. The internal power dynamics within the All Progressive Congress APC continue to shift as party insider reveals growing unease over Vice President Shetima's standing ahead of the 2027 general elections. Still on politics, Tinubu has no trace. Governor Obasani reacts to formation of coalition group by former Senate President David Mark. Now from the international scene, UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer has backed the bombing of Iran's nuclear site by the US, saying the Islamic Republic cannot be allowed to develop nuclear weapons. Protest against Trump's attack on Iran has already begun in US. People are saying that attacking without the approval of Congress is wrong. The Nigerian Union in South Africa has conducted a free medical outreach in West Bank on one of its host community in that country. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channels at The News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.